What does oxidation of a secondary alcohol yield? Hi everyone, it's Ms Jem guiding you on your pharmacy journey, and welcome to the very first episode of Random Pharmacy Rationale with Ms Jem. And our first episode is a very special episode because we will tackle about organic chemistry. Let's try to answer our question number 1. What does oxidation of a secondary alcohol yield? A. Ketone. B. Primary alcohol. C. Aldehyde. Or D. Ether. I will give you 5 seconds to choose your answer. And the correct answer is letter A. Ketone. So first, let's recall the basic structure of alcohols. In organic chemistry, alcohols contain a hydroxyl group or OH group attached to a carbon atom. They are classified based on how many carbon atoms are attached to the carbon bearing of the OH group. So when we say primary alcohol, that carbon that is attached to the OH group is also attached to one carbon atom. And then when we say secondary alcohol, the carbon that contains the OH group is attached to two other carbon atoms. And the tertiary alcohol is a carbon with the OH group is attached to three carbon atoms. So in organic chemistry, oxidation means loss of hydrogen or gain of oxygen. So when a secondary alcohol is oxidized, it loses hydrogen atoms, one from the OH group and one from the carbon it's attached to, forming a carbonyl group. And a compound with a carbonyl group between two carbons, we call it a ketone. Unlike primary alcohols which oxidize to aldehydes and then carboxylic acids, the secondary alcohols cannot be oxidized to aldehydes or carboxylic acids because the carbon bearing in the OH group is not bonded to a hydrogen. Instead, again, they oxidize to ketones. Option B, primary alcohol, will be a reduction product, not oxidation. Option C, aldehyde, again comes from primary alcohols. And ether forms by condensation, not oxidation. So again, the correct answer is letter A, ketone.